So guys, I found this little gem in SAVERS. It's WBM Beauty Brush Cleaner, and it's so cute. It's shaped like a pineapple. How cute is that? So I'm going to go ahead and use it to wash my brushes and give you feedback on it. But how cute is this little brush cleaner though? Absolutely adorable. So guys, it's brush cleaning day, and these are the brushes that I'll be cleaning, and I'm going to use that little brush cleaner to clean my brushes. They are very filthy, as you can see. Look, full of foundation and powder. So I'll be testing out that little brush mat I got from SAVERS to see how well it cleans my brushes. Actually, I've tried it and I've washed 2 of my brushes already, and it works like a charm. So let me go ahead and show you how I use this brush mat. Mind you guys, it doesn't have a suction, so when you put it in your sink, it won't stick, so you'll have to use your fingers to just hold it in place, just so you know. The first one, I use this to apply my foundation, and what I'm going to do is get the brush a bit wet with warm water. Sometimes when you use your bare hands to wash your foundation brushes, it is really hard. So this is a great alternative to washing your brushes. So what I'm going to do is just put some fairy washing up liquid. This works as well. I sometimes use baby shampoo, but if I can't find my baby shampoo, then I use a fairy washing up liquid. So I've put some on my brush, and I'm going to go ahead and hold this down in place. Let me turn it this way so you can see. Can you see? Okay. And just swirl it about like that. Look at all that muck. That is all foundation. Swirl it around. This little cleaner makes it so much easier to get the foundation or the powder or even the eyeshadows out of your brush, out of your brushes. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it and then do that same technique. Add some washing up liquid, and then I wish this little cleaner had a suction. Now you saw how dirty my brush was, right? Okay. So this is the second wash, you guys, and I'm twirling it around clockwise and then anti-clockwise just to make sure that I get all the foundation out of the brush. Can you see that? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse it with some warm water. Squeeze the water out. I'm gonna shake it out, and then, oops, I need to wash it some more because it still has soap. Make sure that you get the soap out of your brushes, guys. And you squeeze the excess water out, and then you can shake it like that and sort of reshape. So this is what the brush is looking like after washing it using some dishwashing liquid and my little pineapple shaped brush cleaner. It's gotten it so clean. I'm really impressed. I'm going to go ahead and wash some eyeshadow brushes and see how it works for the smaller brushes. But this foundation brush was really dirty, you guys, and I managed to get the foundation out of it. So let's go ahead and try an eyeshadow brush. That's my crease brush. You see how dirty that is, guys? Okay, let's get that brush wet. Well saturated, and then put some of the washing up liquid on, and then go ahead and swirl that on your cleaner. Sorry if the lighting isn't great. I'm in the kitchen, but bear with me. This is just to show you how this brush cleaner works, and it's only £1. So make sure that you go ahead and check out SAVERS if you want to get one of these brush cleaners. So basically, guys, look at that. Let it focus. You see that? My goodness, let's wash that out. Squeeze the water out, shake it, and shape your brush. So this, you guys, is what the cleaner has done. Little brush mat has done. Amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and try this powder brush. See how clean it will get it. But you get the idea, right, guys? It works really well. So let's go ahead and do the same. See, I have to hold it down. You can do clockwise motions, and then you can do anti-clockwise motions. My goodness, this works so well. Washing brushes can be really hectic, you guys. I hate washing brushes, if I'm honest. But this little cleaner has helped me so much to get my brushes nice and clean. Look at that. Boom. This one, you guys, is really stained, and it's a flat synthetic brush, so it's much harder to wash. Imagine washing this with your hands. Look at that. I had to put some work in there, but look at the result. You could not get the stain out by using your hands to wash this. You wouldn't have gotten it this clean, but my little cleaner did the job. This is one of the hardest brushes to wash, and look at it, sparkling. So guys, I'm going to try and see if my beauty sponges are able to be cleaned by this, because I would be really amazed. So let's go for my sponges are a bit old, so they might break. But I would say if you're going to use this to wash your sponges, be very careful, because you don't want to break your sponges apart. So, oh, by the way, you can actually put this in your hand to wash your brushes. It doesn't have to be done in the sink like that. So just saturate your sponge and don't rub it too hard, because you don't want to break your sponge. You know how hard it is to get the stains out of the sponge. My goodness. Okay. I think I might be onto something here, you guys. it actually helped to wash the sponges as well and get them clean. Did you see that? Sponge is clean. This little bad boy right here, even though it's stained, it worked like a champion. Only £1. I haven't had clean brushes in a long while, and my brushes are clean, honey. They are super clean and ready to go. Even my sponges, yes, they're stained, but the dirt is gone out of them. They are very stained because they're old, but the dirt has gone completely out of them. They are clean as a whistle. These brushes, you guys, are absolutely spotless. So make sure that you go ahead and get yourself a couple of these pads. I'm going back to SAVERS because I need to get some more of this brush cleaner because they work so, it works so well. My brushes are super clean, honey. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you how my little pineapple shaped brush cleaner worked, and I think it works really well. It helps to get all the foundation and powder out of my brushes. It's really hard sometimes to get the foundation out, especially if you don't wash your brush on a weekly basis. It's hard to get the foundation out, but this little cleaner, look, it's already stained. It helps to get your foundation out. Once you saturate your brush with water and then you add the washing up liquid or whatever you use to wash your brushes, you just swirl it around on this little pad right here and it gets your brushes nice and clean. Shame that it doesn't have a suction at the back. You have to hold it down, but never mind that. We can do that, right? So yes, that's the end of the video, you guys. If you're ever close to SAVERS or you're going to SAVERS, make sure that you pick up one of these little brush cleaner right here. It's only £1, so make sure that you pick up several and gift it to your friends and family. So that's the end of the video, you guys. I do hope you found this helpful. Go ahead and comment down below, subscribe, and leave me a comment to let me know what your thoughts are on this little cutie right here. Such a cutie. So that's the end of the video, guys. I'll see you soon. Comment, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.